making a miss is great, but we don't want to only make him miss. That can cause some problems. So I want to be able to make him miss and then block, right? I want to be able to control the space. And then Nico's going to change up the punch and make me look stupid. So this is something that I've started working on with Schroeder a little bit, and we've been having some fun doing it. So if Nico's going to throw steady jabs over and over and over, I'm going to inside parry, then I'm going to paw, then I'm going to shield, then I'm going to shoulder roll, then I'm going to shoulder roll, reverse the shield, paw, outside parry, walk it back, outside parry, paw, shield, shoulder roll, shield, paw, parry. Does that make sense? And it's really fun to get in a rhythm like that, because now Nico's not reading my defense and creating an obvious reaction. Every time he jabs, I deal with it with the lead hand, then that right hand's gonna come and crush me. If every time he jabs, I deal with it with the rear hand, then he's gonna fake the jab and hook around. Bang. Does that make sense? So how they defend dictates the offense. So I gotta change it so he doesn't know what look to run. Does that make sense? So I really like that drill. So the big flashing lights here for anyone watching the video is practice this all the time. Inside parry, paw, shield, shoulder roll, shield, paw, parry. Does that make sense as a baseline? Cool. So the next thing that's like a big concept is every time Nico misses, he's going to adjust, right? So if he's here and I'm trying to hit a high C, my head needs to go to the outside and touch, right? So if every single time he jabs, I slide out here, Nico's gonna start throwing over, now it's making it a different, now I have to get my head way offline to get past that jab because he's adjusted over with me. Vice versa, if he starts throwing and I inside slip, block, inside slip, block. See, look at his stance. Did you watch his hips just turn? So he can hunt over to this angle. Now as he throws his next jab, I'm past it. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So we gotta think about making a miss in a way that sets us up. And our wrestling works the same way, right?
Yeah.
It's like, cool, I know every single time I step for this inside trip, I'm gonna get him to circle their leg back. I know every single time I pull on this bicep, I'm gonna get that foot to step.